The teleportation card trick. This is an old trick that was once performed over 100 years ago. Since then, most magicians have forgotten about its existence, as it has become lost in the passage of time. This card trick is deceptive and powerful to perform. The magician takes a deck of cards and allows the spectator to choose any card that they like. This is a free choice. He then cuts the cards roughly in half. He spreads one half of the deck onto the table. The spectator chose the 5 of spades. This is cleanly placed on the bottom of the deck, so the spectator can always see it. The magician spreads out the cards some more, then takes the 5 and places it into the middle of the spread out cards face down. He then takes the rest of the deck and face down spreads them onto the table as shown. He tells the spectator that their 5 of spades is going to jump from the face up pile to the face down pile very visually. He snaps his fingers and turns over both piles, and one card is face down in the face up cards. And no cards are the wrong way round in the face down cards. The face down card just so happens to be the spectator's 5 of spades. For this trick you need a normal deck and a double backer. You can buy these from the link in the description, or make your own by sticking 2 cards face to face as shown. Place the double backer on the bottom of the deck. Let the spectator choose any card. Then cut the deck in half and spread the cards across the table. Place the spectator's card face up on the bottom of the deck. This means it's below the double backer. Turn your cards over and perform a double lift. It will look like you're turning over the 4 of spades, but in reality you're turning over both cards. Now take off the double backer whilst turning your wrist round. This hides the fact that the spectator's card is still on the bottom of the deck. Place the double backer into the cards on the table. Now cut the other pile in half. This will leave the spectator's card face up in the middle of the deck. Now comes the tricky bit. When spreading the cards on the table, make sure you clump together the middle of the cards by applying less pressure during the spread, meaning they stick together. Practice this many times. This will mean the spectator's card will not stick out of the pile. It will hide behind the other cards as shown. From here the trick just works. Turn over both piles and it will appear as if one card has teleported from one pile to another. This is a more advanced trick. If you want easier card tricks, then check out my other videos.